can say a lot of stuff on Mpumelelo Msaleko. We can even drag him the whole day. But guys, let's all be honest. There's nothing as beautiful having a man who's making sure that you also get the piece of the cake. Mpumelelo is making sure Uterelo, she's also making her own money. Like, I know that Mpumelelo might not be the kind of guy that you want to date, but right now, I'm really happy for Terelo, guys. I'm really happy for her. I wish all the best. And you know what? I wish Terelo can find another way of making more money, because trust me and believe, Terelo, she has the numbers, guys. So yesterday, Ulwandle Nkulu, she released the official music video Umnakwethu. Terelo did post on her Instagram account, and people were surprised what is going on. Ulwandle Nkulu and Terelo. And when they get to the video, guess what? Terelo and Mpumelelo, they were part of the music video Umnakwethu, guys. Yo, people are so happy to see Terelo, she's also making her own money. Music video, it was on 665 views. So after Terelo posted it on her Instagram story, as I'm speaking to you right now, the music video Umnakwethu is currently on 19,000 views, guys. Terelo, she has so much power on social media, and I wish Terelo, she can find a way to make more money, because wow, guys, imagine a music video from 265 to 19,000 views because of Terelo, guys. I guess, guys, let's just give Terelo her flowers, guys. I know that some people really do love you guys, they don't like Terelo, but guys, Terelo, she has numbers. I wish she can start a YouTube channel, not because of you guys. I know some of people, they're going to say, oh, you're starting a YouTube channel because of you guys. She also has a YouTube channel. No, guys, I feel like with Terelo, it's time for her to make money. Chances for Terelo, guys, to make money this year, as we all know, she was going to be part of Tembo season 3. So we are happy for Terelo, guys. I know that dating Mpumelelo, it's not cute because it's cheating every day, but at least you are securing the bag. Maybe this money will help her to go back to school. Maybe she's currently in school, you never know, guys. She was studying BCom accounting. So, baby girl, she's busy, guys. She's busy securing the bag, making money. One thing about Terelo, guys, she's not that girlfriend, you know. That girlfriend will sit and cry and complain. She's here to make money. One thing about Terelo, she knows how to get money. That's the way, guys. It is the way. 2025, you need to know how to make your own money. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about Mpumelelo and Terelo? Congratulations to Terelo and Mpumelelo, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy